Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my lovely grade 1 students. How are you all? Isn't it a lovely day? Yes? Yeah, it's a very nice, lovely day. And it's day 3 of week 5. Which week is this? This is week 5. And today is the third day of week 5. Yes. Okay, now tell me, children, one thing. What was the topic that we did yesterday? Did we learn yesterday actually? Yes, we learned about the weather words. Correct. Yes, we did the weather words, right? Okay. Now, about today's lesson, I'm going to show you few words and you are going to read those words with me. Okay? Now, the first word is why. What is this? It's why. All right. Okay, let me paste it here. It's a why. All right. Now, how will you read this word? When. Very good. It's when. Correct. All right. Which word is this? It's a good. Correct. It is good. All right. All right. Now, how will you read this one? It's where. Correct. It's where. Right. It's a where. All right. Now, this one. How. Correct. It's how. All right. The last one. Read this. Do. Okay. Very good. It's a do. Now, what type of words are these? Now, when you read them, why, when, could, where, how, and do. When you are reading these words, what comes in your mind? That what type of words are these? These are the question word. Very good. These are the question words. So that means today we are going to learn about the question words and about question words and what is this? And a question mark. Correct. Question words and question mark. Now, where are they included in English language? They are all included in punctuation. Okay? Their question word, question marks, full stop, capital letters, they are all included in punctuation. Like I've also explained you this before in last week when we were doing punctuation. In punctuation, there are different things which side by side, week wise and unit wise, we are going to discuss, right? So in the last week, we discussed about the capital letters and full stop. So now, today we'll be discussing about the question mark and the question words, right? Now, why do you put this question mark? Because it's a question, correct? Because you see, when you are asking something, that means that you are asking a question, right? Because I have already explained you that sentence is telling you something, right? A sentence is what it tells you something. Whereas when you ask something, that is a question. You are asking something, that means you are asking a question. So you are going to put question mark where? At the end of the sentence. You will always put question mark at the end of the sentence. And what do you put at the end of a telling sentence? You put a full stop. Correct. So this is another kind of punctuation, that is a question mark and question words. You always remember, whenever you are writing something, whether it is a sentence, whether it is a question, you always start the sentence with what? Correct. You always start the sentence with capital letter and you end it with a full stop. But if the sentence is not telling sentence, it is an asking sentence, then at the end of the sentence, what you are going to put? At the end of the sentence, you are going to put a question mark. Very good, children. Very nice. All right. Now, let's start making sentences with these words, right? I want you to think of any one sentence and tell me about the word that is why. The first one is why. You tell me the sentence and I'm going to write it down over here on this whiteboard. Okay. Now the first one is why. How are you going to make a question of this word? Why? Come on. Come on. Tell me, children. How are you going to? Okay. Why? Why are you crying? Yes. Why are you crying? All right. Now, the next word. When. When are you going to come to school? When are you going to come to school? Right? This is another sentence of when. Now, the other word is could. Could you help me? Could you help me, please? Right? This is another question word. Now, which one is the next word? Where. All right. Okay. Where are you going? Right? Where are you going? Next word is how. Come on. How are you feeling now? Yes, how are you feeling now? Okay. The last one is do. Do you like snowfall? Do you like snowfall? Yes. So when you you can see that these are all the sentences which are asking something. Like the first one, why are you crying? You are asking something. When are you going to come to school? Again, you are asking something. Could you help me, please? Asking sentence. Where are you going? How are you feeling now? Again, asking sentence. Do you like snowfall? Again, asking sentence, right? So, it means that these are the different question words and they are asking something, right? So remember children, whenever there is a question, you will always put a question mark at the end of the sentence and you are going to start the sentence with a capital letter. All right? Is that clear? Very good. Now, if you open your book page number, your Nelson English, I hope you all have that. Great. Now, if you open Nelson English, page 33, it says about the questions and question marks, right? See, it is the same thing which I have just now told you. A sentence starts with a capital letter. A telling sentence ends with a full stop. Whereas some sentences end with a question mark. These are the asking sentences, right? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do part A, which is there on page 33, right? Part A says that ask questions about, you have to ask questions about the given picture. Like number one, the rain, number two, the wind, number three, the snow, and number four, the sun. There are four words, four pictures. So I'm going to give you 7 minutes to do this work. Your time starts now. Now time is up. Okay, have you done it? Can you read out the sentences, please? The first one is the rain. Now remember, you have to ask a question. Now, right, do you like the rain? That's correct. Very good. Do you like the rain? Again, you are asking something. Okay. The wind. Do you like the wind in the winter season? Correct. Very good. The snow. Yes. Do you like to make snowman in the snow? Right? Okay. Now the sun. Come on. Do you like to take a sun bath in the sun? Right? Correct? Now you can see that all these sentences, all these questions, they are using only one word, and that is do. Because you cannot, because the pictures are that you can only ask questions using the word do. You can also use what does the rain feels like, or how does the rain feels like, how does the snow looks like, how does the wind looks like, right? Or you can also ask mm, um, why the snow is of white color, why the snow is of white color, why the sun is not shining right now. Okay. Or then you can say why the wind is so why it is so windy today. All right. So these are the different questions that you can ask with these pictures. I hope you have understood. Yes, that's great. Now, what you are going to do, remember children, you are going to do the homework which I'll be posting on portal. But if there is any confusion, like you have not understood the work, like I always tell you, leave that work, okay? And ask me in the next class, that is tomorrow. I'm going to explain you if you have any issue or any problem regarding doing the homework. And do watch the Edwell videos also, right? Okay. Now, I want you to summarize your lesson in one sentence. How are you going to summarize? Summarizing means you have to tell what you have learned today in this class in one sentence. Come on. We have learned about question mark and question words. Very good. Or some other, in other words, can you summarize in some other type of a sentence? In today's class, we learned about the question words and the question mark. Okay. And one more way of summarizing this is, in today's lesson, we learned about the how to use the question mark and question words. So that was the main thing. But that is included in what? It is included in punctuation, because this is all part of punctuation, right? So up till now, we have done capital letters, we have done full stop, we have done today question mark and question words. So these are the basic things in punctuation. We all should know this by heart, because this is not going to help you out in this class only, but it's going to help you out throughout your life. Okay, this is the basic thing, the pillar, you can say, of grammar, of English grammar. When to use question words, when to use question mark, when to use capital letters, when to use the full stop. It's going to help you out throughout your lives. Okay, children? So I hope you have understood, and you are going to do the task which I have given you. I'm going to post it on portal. All right. See you in your science lesson. Bye bye.